Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a scheduling widget on a page in HubSpot. This is a powerful way to let visitors book meetings directly from your website or landing pages without having to send separate calendar links. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to app.hubspot.com. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left navigation panel, hover your cursor over the option labeled Sales, and an expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, look for and click on Meeting Scheduler. This section houses all your scheduling links and embedded meeting options. On the Meeting Scheduler page, you'll see a list of all the meetings you've created. Find the specific meeting you want to embed on your page. Hover your mouse over the meeting name, and you'll notice a button labeled Actions with a drop-down arrow next to it. Click on that button, and a menu will appear with several options. Select Embed from this menu. This action opens the Embed widget, which displays the meeting's HTML code. At this point, you can either copy the code directly to embed it yourself, or you can email it to a web developer who can handle the embedding process for you. Alternatively, there's a more streamlined way to add this meeting directly within HubSpot without dealing with code. Head back to the left side menu and hover your cursor over the option named Content. An expanded menu will appear, offering you choices like website pages or landing pages. Select the one that matches where you'd like to embed your meeting scheduler. This flexibility allows you to place the widget exactly where your audience will find it most useful. Once you've made your selection, look for the specific website or landing page where you want to add the meeting link. Click on it to open the editing interface. On the left side menu, you'll see a plus icon, which represents the Add Module function. Click on this icon to open the module library. In the search bar that appears, type in Meetings. You'll see the Meetings module appear in the results. Drag it onto your web page, positioning it wherever you'd like it to display. You'll then see a drop-down menu labeled Select Meeting. Click on it, choose your meeting from the list, and it will be embedded directly onto your HubSpot page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.